What's up, you guys? Welcome to Superior Products YouTube channel. If you're just tuning in, hello, and if you're coming back for more fun and adventure, welcome back. Today we are going to do a quick little video on, I'm gonna clean a dashboard for you guys, just really quick, and then what we're also going to show is Aqua Gloss. So Aqua Gloss is our interior, tire and interior dressing, but I am gonna show it being used on the interior today. And I am going to show you the different ways to dilute it. One thing that we really promote with this product is you control the shine. So if you have a customer that does not want shine on their dash, but they're still looking for a little bit of protection, Aqua Gloss 3-to-1 is perfect for that. So just to show you guys the different ways that you can dilute it and how it looks on the dash. And I think you guys are gonna enjoy this video. We haven't filmed in a while, so I'm excited to get out there and have some fun and teach you guys a little bit more about our product. So I am gonna hop over here. I'm gonna show you guys really quick what we're using and what we're working with here. So this is Aqua Gloss Full Strength. So to use it full strength whenever you are going to apply it onto the dashboard, we do recommend putting it into a ketchup bottle because it's thick. I don't know if you can see, but it's gonna kind of coat the bottle. So it won't spray through a trigger at full strength. So if you cut it, or if you're using it full strength, throw it in a ketchup bottle, and I'm just going to put it onto an applicator pad and wipe it down that way. So we've got full strength that we're gonna use. This is Aqua Gloss cut 50/50, so it's not as thick. It will go through a trigger, so I will spray this onto a microfiber and wipe this on that way. This is going to be 2-to-1, so cut even a little bit further. This one I didn't label, but you can see how watery this is. This is 3-to-1. So at 3-to-1, this product will separate. No problems with that. Just when you go to use it again, you'll want to shake it up and make sure that it's mixed in properly with the water again. But if it does separate, that's not a problem. And then to clean it, the last Aqua Gloss video that we did for you guys, I did clean the dash with Greenol. So this video, we are gonna use Pink Perfection. This is another great interior cleaner. This stuff is priced really, really, really good. And so I have it in this spray bottle right here, and I diluted it 10-to-1 in the spray bottle. So we're gonna clean it with Pink Perfection, diluted 10-to-1, and then I will show you each different levels of how Aqua Gloss shines on a dashboard. So without further ado, let's get started. And again, thank you so much for checking out our videos. so much for checking out this video. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Aqua Gloss is an amazing product. Part number is F78-1 for a gallon. Our line code at O'Reilly Auto Parts is SCP. So if you go in, ask for the store manager, let them know you want to order a gallon of Aqua Gloss. Again, part number is F78-1, and then you'll just tell them our line code is SCP. They'll bring it in from their distribution center, and they will have it to you sometimes that same day, if not the next day. So great product, super easy to get. There are O'Reillys everywhere, so we are very fortunate to be able to be sold in all of their stores. So again, thank you guys so much. Have a great day, and make sure and check out all of our other videos.